Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating my signature full Delco system conversion. This is where we convert the radio to modern electronics, and we also convert the 8-track for optimum performance to the converted radio. The 8-track uses up the radio's aux input, so I install an additional aux input on the 8-track so you can still run a portable audio device. Anything you plug into the 8-track's aux input will be sent straight to the radio when there's no tape inserted. So let's go ahead and test everything out. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so let's turn it on.
Samuel L. Jackson, Argyle.
And while we have it on talk radio, we'll demonstrate our virtual balance and fader functions.
The music biography, Bob Marley,
front rear fader.
That's your KQ
fader adjust.
Okay.
With a check
all the way
of
front,
what's planned now
all the way
at
rear,
your local cinema.
front,
You
rear,
can check showtimes and get ticket prices by calling your theater.
Fader set.
Okay.
Website.
Left, right, balance.
Balance adjust.
Okay. All the way left. All the way right. Left. Right. Okay, I'm going to center that.
Balance set.
Alrighty, let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. Over to FM.
Weekend, and the New York Times placed, and I realized.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here, and on most of these Delco 8-tracks, the left light is lit anytime the unit is getting power. So this should be wired after the ignition switch if it isn't already. And then when you insert a tape, this right light comes on. So let's try that. Okay, I must have forgotten to plug something in, and I did. Let's plug that 8-track back in.
Collection now. It's true. Now I know this is my back home. I'll keep you in bananas. You're an angel, I'm a lucky guy.
Ready? Pull the tape. Pull the tape out and the radio comes right back on. So, and incidentally, on an 8-track conversion, these controls no longer do anything because that's all done at the radio now. The 8-track is taking advantage of the radio's superior new amplifiers. So the only thing that still works on the 8-track will be the track change button. Even the volume control doesn't work because that's done at the radio now. So you can just consider this a component to the radio now, a component to the test receiver. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And if you download and print a work order, that'll answer most if not all of your questions. That way, if you need to call me, it's only about maybe a couple minute conversation to ask a quick last minute question instead of a 15-minute phone call that keeps me off the bench a little bit too long to put my top quality workmanship in here. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Bill. This is from Bill in San Luis Obispo, California, and thank you for your business, sir. So we'll see you guys next time.